Hi, my name is John Cermenaro, and what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this brand new Rogers drum that I purchased. So let's take a look. All right, digging in. This is it, baby. Let's take it out. Box. A new drum. Everybody loves the day they get a new snare drum. I know that. Who wouldn't? It's white marine pearl. Hey. Oh, it's got the old style Rogers script logo on that. And I love how they've redesigned this throw off. It retains the basic shape and design. And I love that they have the gaskets, right? This was a Dave Gordon innovation for Rogers, was to add a gasket between the lug and the shell to isolate that metal from the wood and allow the instrument to sing. Well, let's take a look at the inside. This is a thin shell with reinforcing rings. This is like Covington style. Has an internal tone control. All right. Oh, this is a good comparison, actually. So if we look at this, we see the vintage throw off and the new throw off. All right, just out of the box. Bring a little more tension on it. Not trying to tune it per se, just see what happens when I put a little more tension in it. Oh boy, I'm happy. I'm happy. This is great. Again, big shout out to Big Bang Distribution. Thank you for bringing Rogers back. Thanks, Bob Cascia and your team. I'm back in business. Thank you.